If you want to unlink your Wise account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Open your web browser or Wise app and log into your Wise account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the profile section or under a menu labeled settings or account. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings, look for a section that mentions linked accounts or connections. This is where you can manage any social media or third-party app connections. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Locate Facebook in the list of linked accounts. There should be an option to unlink or disconnect. Click on this option to remove the connection between your Wise account and Facebook. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to unlink the accounts. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the process. After completing these steps, your Wise account will no longer be linked to Facebook. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Wise customer support for assistance.